Hello ជំរាបសួរវីដេអូខ្ញុំថតនៅ YouTube មានចំបងប្អូនចំនួនពរខ្លះចង់បានអង់គ្លេសឥឡូវខ្ញុំមានហើយបើបងប្អូនចង់មើលខ្មែរចុចទៅខាងស្ដាំមក
Today we're here to show you guys how to make Thai green curry. Here we have 1 can of coconut milk. We're going to pour this into a small pot. In the same can, we're going to fill it with water and pour that in as well. The can of coconut milk we're using today is 560 milliliters. Here is a 550 milliliter can of bamboo shoots cut into strips. We have 10 large tiger shrimps, 1 pound of thinly sliced chicken breast, Here we have 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of green curry paste. This here is the brand that we use. We find that it tastes the most authentic. We have 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, half a cup of green peas, along with 2 cups of Thai basil, we also have 8 Kaffir lime leaves, along with half a red bell pepper and half a green bell pepper. 1 purple eggplant, 2 Thai eggplants, and lastly we have half a stalk of lemongrass. You can start by cutting the Thai eggplant into 6 small pieces. For the purple eggplant, start by cutting them into 4 pieces and from there cut them into quarters. You're going to cut the bell peppers into roughly 1-inch pieces. They don't need to be perfect as long as they're bite-sized. The last thing we're going to chop up is the lemongrass stalk. You can cut them into 4 or 5 pieces. We're only using it for flavor. Going back to the pot of coconut milk and water, bring that to a boil. Then we're going to add in our curry paste, our chicken, our green peas, bamboo shoots, shrimp, sugar, fish sauce, and lemongrass. We're going to let this boil for 3 minutes. Once the 3 minutes is up, we're going to put in all of our veggies and let it boil for another 5.
ទឹកត្រីស្ករហ្នឹងឲ្យវាពុះជា3នាទីសិនហើយចាំយើងដាក់គ្រឿងបន្លែចូល5នាទីគឺឆ្អិនហើយតែញ៉ាំយើងដាក់មិញ3នាទីពុះហើយណាមើលទៅវាសាច់អីឆ្អិនអស់ហើយ
One thing to note, if you devein the shrimp before cooking, the butterfly clep makes them look much nicer.
ត្រូវទៅពុះខ្នងមិនស្លទៅស្អាតហើយឥឡូវហ្នឹងយើងដាក់បន្លែចូល
As mentioned earlier, we're adding our veggies now. The only thing we're not going to add is the Thai basil.
ដាក់បន្លែចូលឲ្យវាពុះ2នាទីទៀតដល់បន្លែព្រោះអីយើងបង់យូរអត់បានទេតាំងដាក់សាច់ដាក់បន្លែហ្នឹង5នាទីព្រោះអីតាយើងស្លលួយពេកវាអត់ឆ្ងាញ់ទេឥឡូវយើងដាក់ឲ្យវា2នាទីពុះដាក់ជីលើកចុះមកឃើញទេនេះឥឡូវហ្នឹង2នាទីពុះហើយណាហើយបន្លែប៉ុណ្ណឹងបានហើយកុំទុកយូរឥឡូវយើងបង់
After 5 minutes, we're going to add our basil and turn off the heat. And now we're ready to eat.
តែអាការីហ្នឹងយើងត្រូវការជីច្រើនហើយបន្លែអីក៏ដាក់បានដែរស្រាប់តែមានសណ្តែកគួរក៏ដាក់បានដែរសណ្តែកគួរវែងណាហើយព្រឹកមិញខ្ញុំរកដែរវាអត់មានដាក់សណ្តែកគួរក៏ឆ្ងាញ់ដែរណាឥឡូវឆ្អិនហើយឥឡូវយើងបិទភ្លើងយើងឆ្អិនមកហើយណាខ្ញុំភ្លក់មើលនឹងការីថៃបងប្អូនស្លញ៉ាំទៅស្រួលស្លមែនតើហើយខ្ញុំអរគុណនៃបងប្អូនតាមដានវីដេអូរបស់ខ្ញុំណា